use AI to enhance the bio and description of your client's work and what they are doing. So you really no need to go and search for words. So it will provide you, it will do an automatic research on the current trends, whatever your client's competitors are doing, and it will give you best suggestions. So that is one thing. AI is now everywhere. So I think even LinkedIn has this feature now. And also like you can so the video content previously, like there were some problems in on LinkedIn, like you cannot the videos are not aligned properly, like the video are not like the size of the video were not fitting. So now they have upgraded it, and you can even upload vertical videos, which supports very well. And also like you can upload interactive banners even for your promotions and for events with a clickable link. So you can promote your lead magnets, free workbooks, events, everything on LinkedIn. And also like they have increased the number of elements where you can update in about section. So now you can explain more about what you are doing or your client is doing on LinkedIn. So that is like it's very helpful when someone reads your about, they get an understanding about what your client is doing clearly, rather than explaining it in within 200 words. You have now you can explain more. So what we can do using these features is you can upload short videos, engaging videos, showcasing more insights. And so it's more like now Facebook. So previously it was not like that. The content strategy was limited. Now we have new features. So videos are really working well on LinkedIn. Do you guys have any questions so far?
I have one.
Yes.
So the clickable profile banner, can you explain that, Angela?
Yes, so I have a content, sorry, I have a document, Upali. So for each and everything I explain, I have a document. So I will share it after the call inside the group. So there's a small video, so you can go through it and check it. Okay. Thank you. Any questions? So LinkedIn outreach strategy. So the most people, when it comes to outreaches, even we don't prefer messages like to salesy, or if somebody is trying to sell us something, we are not going to open the message, right? So even if they follow up with 20 messages, we are not going to open the message. So same thing, we need to put ourselves on client's perspective and think. So if the client is going to reach out, client will not prefer to reach out to somebody in a like trying, they are not going to try to pitch their ideal client. So we need to first build a relationship with the ideal client. So for that, for example, we can use message templates like this. So that's what we are trying at the moment for our clients. So most of the time Upuli helps us to generate very she is a pro at it. So she used to help us create message templates for LinkedIn. So they are really working well. We have practiced it and we tried it with Dr. Jacqueline, and we have booked so many calls for her and for other clients as well. So we are trying Upuli's message sequence, so we can share that one with everybody. So whoever is using LinkedIn, you guys can try according to your client's niche. So we need to avoid generic messages like I would like to connect. Let's connect. It's more like AI. It's like ChatGPT. So rather than that, we are going to talk to humans. So it's better to say something like I loved your post, I loved your comment, and build a relationship first. So that's how we use LinkedIn outreach organically. And also there are some tools. So I think most of us have tried these tools like Waalaxy and it's Apollo.io. So these has pretty cool features. Like these are like you can use it for free. You no need to purchase the pro version. because it has a lot of options with the free version. So you can find leads, you can automate prospects. So the best thing about Waalaxy is you can send both messages and emails. So you can just draft the template and you can run a campaign. So if you guys want, I want, just drop me a message so I can send you guys explaining a video or a tutorial how to install and run a campaign. So you're not going to waste your time on finding leads or reach out to people. So for some clients it might work, for some clients it might take some time, but we can have a try and we can see. So with Apollo.io, it's like a database where you can find potential clients for your client. So you just need to give the keywords and do a search. So it is going to give you a list of contact, like with emails, contact numbers, business addresses, and everything. So you can make a list and you can reach out to people using LinkedIn. So this is going to suggest people who are on LinkedIn. So this saves a lot of time also. And this is also like a combination of email sequences and stuff. So you can just try it out, guys. Yeah, so it has a huge uh, database, like 250 plus million business contacts. So this would help. So, and then also, like, the best practices are like to be consistent always. It's not only for LinkedIn but for any platform. The consistency gives us a growth. Even like small thing like commenting, liking, or posting polls, engaging in groups. So consistency gives us growth. We have tried it and we have seen the results. So that's why I'm repeating this. So it is more like you're not going to promote most of the time. You just need to give something valuable to the audience. Maybe it can be a free workbook, it can be a free webinar. So you need to offer value 80% of the time. So that is organic marketing. That's going to work. So promotions, of course, we can do, but it's 20%. Even with reach outs, posting, engaging, you're not going to pitch anybody. You're just going to try to build a relationship and you're going to try help people. So with that mindset, we need to be consistent. And also like, so most of the people, they doesn't like to see big longer videos or longer form of posts, so much of text content. So we can try to provide like native content. You might post a carousel, you might post a short video which gives value within short period of time. So that's going to help. And also engagement. So what you can do is, guys, like if you have a client, just check their niche and check for a list of competitors or similar industry and engage with their posts daily on a daily basis. So this will help. So we are going to try this for our team. So this is like you need to make a connection and you need to follow them and then engage in their content, like not just like a lovely post or not a comment like that, but something valuable. You need to read the post, and if you see you can relate it to your client's niche, just you guys might have an idea about what your client is doing. You might gain knowledge about. So if your client is a business coach, you might know what is a business coach. You might know a little, just a little bit of content of what your client is teaching. So just take some knowledge and try to do engaging comments for for those industries. So that might help. And also, so it's not only about trying. We need to keep a track and evaluate what we are doing. So if the strategy is not working, no point of continuing it. So what you can do is there are analytics in LinkedIn. So you can go to that section and you can track impressions, profile views, and you can even track you can even track the performance for past 90 days. So if the strategy is not working, it's compulsory to change the strategy. So it means we are doing something wrong. So we need to do a research and we can try something new. and we might get result. So the main thing about organic marketing is we need to check the progress. We need to always check the progress, and you don't need to create a report or something. It is already there. The LinkedIn provides analytics automatically. So just go there, and if you see a green percentage, it's good. If you see a red percentage, we are going down. So we need to change the strategy. That's so simple. So that is one thing. And yeah, so and also we need to improve continuously. Like we can test different type of content, like polls, carousels, and even instead of typing a paragraph, you can just give a summary of a content and explain it. So people do comment on those type of. We have tried it for clients, so it worked. People do comment, and yeah, so you can, so we do postings regularly on LinkedIn. So the minimum is to post at least 3 times a week on LinkedIn to maintain the consistency. And so the conclusion, any questions, anyone, any doubts, any questions? All good. Okay, so these are the basic things we have done so far, and we are going to try. So it's better to always optimize your profile. So you can use AI powered enhancement to optimize it. Also, at least post 3 times per week and engage with 10 to 15 targeted posts, like I explained. It can be a relevant industry or ideal clients, and also make the messages personalize them, always personalize the messages, and always follow up. So like Chaminda said, ask is the magic word. So we need to always follow up, ask for what they are going to need from us. So in that way we can get conversions, and always take a weekly analytic to refine the strategy. Any questions, guys? Any doubts? Okay, so instead of, I know nobody's going to ask questions. So